Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can unblock someone on Instagram using a desktop browser. This works on PC, Mac, Chromebook, or laptop, anything with a web browser. Let's get started. Open up your browser and then in the search bar, search for Instagram.com. Once you search for it, log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be able to find more icons. Tap onto it, then select Settings. Inside here, scroll below, then tap on Blocked under Who Can See Your Content. And just like that, inside here, you'll see a list of everyone you have blocked. Find the person you want to unblock and then click on Unblock next to their name, and then confirm it. And once they disappear from the list, they are officially unblocked. And that's it. You have successfully unblocked someone on Instagram from your computer. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.